All right, happy Sunday, guys and gals. We'll have another little fam jam packed day today. We're gonna ride to the in-laws. They got a shooting range. I'm gonna try to get this 300 dialed in. Yesterday was a complete failure. I had the wrong clip, the wrong shells, horrible target. If you watched the video, you understand. But what a beautiful day it is. Thank the good Lord for another one. Mighty thankful. So we loaded up again. Hey, beautiful day, sun shining, birds are chirping. Feeling like turkey season, feeling like springtime. But anyway, we're gonna roll out here in a minute once my oldest boy gets his sleepy head up, and we're gonna go out here and shoot some guns, get a little video. You know, get the wife on here, let you guys meet her if she'll get on here. But anyway, enough of the long talk. Catch y'all here in a second once we get this thing unloaded, get everybody situated. Check you here in a minute. Would you look at that good looking woman right there? What you got?
And then a little nurse smidgen of that.
Uh-oh. What we got in there? Little Bobo. Alright, what we gonna do today? What we about to do?
Try to keep the kids alive.
And shoot some guns.
Shoot some guns.
Ride the mule.
Ride the
Fam
mule.
jam. Beautiful Sunday. I mean, you can see that magnificent deck. But look at this beautiful day. Excuse my hair. It's gonna be a good day.
Little 230. Hold on, buddy. Here we go. Ready, set. Huh? I'll get it.
Well, y'all gotta come back out. I got it going.
Ready, set, go. Here we go.
Y'all ready? All right. Hey, we about to do a little shooting. First we gotta get some cows out of the way. Y'all ready to see how we do it?
Hold on, let me close the gate.
Oh, close the gate. Yeah, so where we're shooting is over here. Actually right there. Got a little problem. Huh? Say what's up, Naomi. Got Doug in the house. The beautiful wife. The gatekeeper.
I hold the keys.
Alright. Yeah! Get on out of here! Yeah.
Look, the cow.
Go! Yeah! Look. Come on.
Hey.
She said, y'all just gonna have to hit me. I ain't
Let's
running,
go.
baby.
Move it or lose it.
Y'all just gonna hit me. I ain't running, baby. I'm going back to my feeding spot.
Do you see
Let's go.
Do you see the cow? Look at the baby.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's nicer than shooting at them.
Yeah, a whole
Baby,
lot nicer than Petey
yeah.
yells at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I doubt that.
Well, thank you, ladies.
Thanks for the show.
Y'all have a nice evening.
Did you see those cows? Yeah, you sure did.
All right. Round 2 of the 300 blackout. Sighting it in. We're out here father-in-law's beautiful shooting shed. See if we can't get it done. Lord have mercy. There we go. Anywho, got my wonderful hand-drawn targets.
Say bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye, buddy. Got a lot of cow patties to maneuver through. But anyway, we'll check back in here in a minute. I'm gonna get these targets set up, and we're gonna get to shooting. Here we go. We got Doug hooking this one up. This is my brother Doug. He's gonna be shooting with me. What you shooting today?
223.
223. We got the 300s from 223. Gonna have a good time. All right. You good?
Hang on 1 second. Go ahead.
I'm gonna go with the right, the orange one. Just don't want out.
Let me see if I can see it.
I can't see it.
Let me just walk down there and I'll tell you where it's at.
All right, go ahead. Oh. Well, we don't have any binos to see that far, so Doug's taking a hike. We'll see. All right, so we got them on paper. Big improvement from yesterday. Doug got his close, got mine close, but we're gonna call it a day. Been out here for about an hour and a half shooting. Gonna call the wife, come pick us up, but pretty day. Pretty day. Got my Uber driver. All right, we're gonna head back to the house. Eat some pizza.